In a shocking twist, one of the most high-profile relationships in politics and business has come to a dramatic end. President Donald Trump and tech mogul Elon Musk, who were once seen as close allies, are now at odds, sparking a feud that is sending shockwaves through the worlds of politics, business, and tech. What started as a partnership built on mutual respect and shared goals has turned into a bitter public clash. The trouble began in early June 2025 when Elon Musk openly criticized one of Trump's most ambitious legislative projects, the One Big Beautiful Bill. This massive $2.4 trillion tax and spending package, which Trump touted as a major win for the country, quickly became a point of contention between the two. Elon Musk didn't mince words. He condemned the bill as a disgusting abomination, especially objecting to its cuts to electric vehicle (EV) tax credits. For Musk, this was a personal issue. Tesla, his electric car company, relies heavily on these credits to remain competitive in the market. The tax credits were a key incentive for consumers to choose EVs, and the cuts threatened Tesla's long-term success. Elon Musk's criticism didn't stop at the bill. He went a step further and suggested that Trump should be impeached, which made headlines. Musk also took jabs at Trump's character, making pointed remarks about Trump's alleged connections to convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. The tension between the two men was now undeniable. President Trump, never one to shy away from a fight, quickly responded. He accused Elon Musk of being ungrateful, saying that Tesla and SpaceX had benefited greatly from government contracts and support. Trump didn't hesitate to throw his weight around, threatening to revoke these federal contracts if Musk continued to speak out against him. It wasn't just the criticism of the bill that stung Trump, it was the way Musk, once a close ally, turned on him publicly. The president's temper flared, and he made it clear that he would not tolerate Musk's attacks. As the feud escalated, Trump's allies in Washington began to weigh in, some even suggesting that Elon Musk should face government retaliation for his outspoken criticism. This public clash has serious consequences, not just for Musk and Trump but for the broader political and business landscape. The stock market impact. One of the most immediate consequences was the impact on Tesla's stock. The company's shares dropped 14%, wiping out over $150 billion in market value. This dramatic loss has raised concerns among investors who fear that the fallout from the feud could hurt Tesla's financial future. Even Trump's own media company didn't escape unscathed. Shares in the Trump Media and Technology Group dropped by 8%, and his cryptocurrency, Trump, fell by 12%. It's clear that the rift is not just a personal matter, it's having real-world financial implications. The political consequences. Inside the Republican Party, the fallout is causing a stir. Musk, once a powerful figure within the party due to his influence and wealth, is now seen as a liability by some. Many Republican lawmakers are worried that Musk's criticism of Trump could cause a rift within the party, especially as the next presidential election approaches. Figures like Steve Bannon have even suggested that the government could take action against Musk, including stripping Tesla of government contracts or targeting SpaceX's space missions. The political landscape is becoming more unpredictable as this feud deepens. Is SpaceX and NASA's partnership at risk? Another significant fallout from the feud is the potential damage to SpaceX's relationship with NASA. SpaceX is responsible for transporting astronauts to the International Space Station (ISS) and has secured numerous lucrative contracts with the US government. Trump has now threatened to cancel these contracts, which could put NASA's reliance on SpaceX at risk. The space industry is watching closely, as a change in leadership could shake up the entire sector. What are the deeper issues behind the fallout? While the public clash over the One Big Beautiful Bill was the trigger for the feud, there are deeper issues at play. 1. Policy differences. At the heart of the disagreement is a fundamental clash of policy. Musk has long been an advocate for fiscal responsibility and green energy. The cuts to EV tax credits in Trump's bill went against everything Musk stood for. Musk has often used his platform to push for sustainability and innovation, and he saw Trump's bill as a step backward for the country's progress toward clean energy. 2. Musk's disillusionment. Musk's frustration with Trump was also fueled by a sense of being sidelined. After stepping down from his advisory role in the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, Musk felt disconnected from key decision-making processes. He began to feel that his influence was diminishing and that his voice was no longer valued in the White House. This feeling of exclusion likely contributed to Musk's decision to take his criticisms public. 3. Personal clashes. Beyond politics, the two men's personal animosities have become apparent. Musk's public criticism of Trump's character, along with his insinuations about Trump's alleged ties to Epstein, further fueled the fire. Once a partnership based on mutual respect, their relationship has soured into a personal vendetta. For Musk, this is not just about policy, it's also about personal principles and a belief that Trump's leadership is flawed. What's next? The future of their relationship. As the feud intensifies, both Trump and Musk have suggested that they may be open to reconciliation, but the damage seems to be done. The once close relationship between the two men appears to be beyond repair. Musk's influence within the Republican Party has waned, and his position as a key player in American business and politics is now uncertain. On the other side, Trump's political future could be affected by the backlash over the fallout, especially as it plays out in the media and among voters. For the moment, it seems that both Trump and Musk are digging in their heels. The future of their relationship is unclear, but one thing is certain. The fallout has been nothing short of explosive, and the repercussions will be felt for years to come. Stay tuned to World Compass for more updates on this developing story.